Alright, hey everybody, welcome back to another Merly on Time. Just a quick video today. I am unboxing another watch from Watchgang. I've been in Watchgang off and on. I did the quarterly subscription for a year, and this one here, the reason I start again is all because of this guy called Reboot a Dude. Now this guy Reboot a Dude, you're not going to believe what happened to this guy. He joins Watchgang. He just started a channel. I'll leave a link in the comments in the pinned description, or the description and the pinned comment. I want you to go check out his channel. He's starting to unbox watches, mostly from Watchgang. And this guy, this Reboot a Dude guy, okay, he got, on I think his second black tier watch, a Seiko Prospex turtle. And I thought, oh, you got to be kidding me. So after being in Watchgang for a year, I got 4 watches. The fourth one I got, and they were all quartz, the fourth one I got, wasn't much of a fan of it. And so I stopped. But after watching Reboot get a Seiko, I thought, I'm going to try it again. So I rejoined the quarterly subscription. Here it is. I haven't looked at it yet. This is going to be a true, kind of reaction. And so here it is. I'm excited. Part of the whole Watchgang deal is the excitement. You're not sure what you're going to get. So here we go. July the 4th is coming soon. Oh, so is July the 1st. That's Canada Day, eh? And they're going to have something on their wheel for July the 4th. So here it is. I hope I get an automatic watch, but I don't know. And again, this is Reboot's fault, so I better have something good. Okay, I've seen... I'm not sure what this is going to be. I've seen a few of these Courtebear watches. So... get this friggin' thing open. Courtebear has been rebranded, probably somewhat by Watchgang. This outer box is a real pain in the butt to get off. Okay, here we go. All right, Courtebear. I'm gonna look at it, and you're gonna get my reaction. And ooh, okay. I'm actually digging this thing. Oh, wow. Okay. I got myself a chronograph. I really actually like this. Okay, so here it is. Plastic and all. This is the Courtebear. I have no idea the... oh, there we go. There it is. Oh, that's... I'm digging this. This is really, really nice. I love me a chronograph. And I got a quartz again. And it's not a VK Seiko movement in there. I already pushed the pusher in once. So I'm not sure exactly what movement is in there. But I am really digging this one, guys. Really nice. Really nice looking watch for sure. So yeah, that's it. So this is going to be the watch that I review this week. Now my buddy from Canada, I can't really give him away. He sent me 2 watches to the channel. I am going to get to them, but I really wanted to get this Watchgang one out of the way. So here it is. I'm not going to take the plastic off or anything. I'm going to wear this for a few days. And this is the Courtebear. Did I put that upside down? Nope. Courtebear chronograph. Beautiful, beautiful looking watch. I like it. I like this one a lot. So Reboot a Dude, you are forgiven for getting me back into this. And again, I'm going to pin Reboot a Dude's channel in the comments and as well in the description. Go check him out and subscribe to his channel, please. So, hey, I am wearing the Casio Duro Marlin today, and love this thing. Just saw Adrian at Somewhere in Time's video on putting the Jubilee bracelet on his, and I thought, hey, I haven't worn mine in a bit, I got to get it out. So thanks for that too, Adrian. So this is, again, I don't know what the model number is or anything like that, but it's a decent looking watch. So be wearing this. Full review coming up on the channel this weekend of this Courte-Bear from Watchgang. So remember, when you leave your house, make sure you have a great looking piece to wear in your wrist. This is going to be awesome. This looks great. I'm really digging this. So thanks Watchgang, and thanks Rebooted Dude. You got me back into it, and I didn't get an automatic, but this one I like. So make sure you have a great looking piece to wear in your wrist, and make sure wherever you're going you get there on time. Thanks guys. We'll review this in a few days. Have a great week, everybody. God bless. See you then.